In this video, we are gonna learn about the feature sketch-driven pattern in SOLIDWORKS. It is a way to copy a feature like a hole, boss, cut, or extrusion into multiple locations based on sketch points you create. Unlike fixed linear or circular directions, you control each placements using sketched points.
To use sketch-driven pattern, we need three things. And of course, first of them is a body or a model where we want to put our features. So for this video, I'm going to use a simple rectangle with a lay. Then need to extrude boss. And of course, for our next step, we need to add a feature to our base. You can use extrude boss, cut, or even hole. And to do that, we need to make a sketch on our base. And finally, we add the last thing that we need, which is a sketch with points on our plate. So we can put it in random to wherever you want the feature that is multiplied to appear. So let's say we have that in this one too. Exit sketch, then we go to features. We click the sketch-driven pattern, and for our selection here, this would be our points, and the features and faces should be the features we want multiplied, which in our case is the boss extrude 2.